Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working on a Dodge Dart guys. And if you need to replace your ambient air temperature sensor guys, stay with us, we will show you how to replace it. You may even get engine light and a code guys for that ambient air temperature sensor. We'll have the code in the description of the video below. You don't need to do quite a bit of disassembly, everything's super simple, but we remove the bumper and all that stuff so we can show you exactly where it's located. In addition guys, we will have more than 200 videos on this car and every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel, like the video and leave a comment below guys, let us know if the video was helpful. Let's start on it now. So you don't have to remove the front bumper or headlights or anything like that. The only piece that you need to remove is that cover right here. Stay with us, we'll show you how to remove it and then we'll continue. So now we have a few clips that we need to remove. We need to get a clip remover too. You need to separate the two pieces guys and pull the clip, okay, the center piece out, and then you pull the rest of the clips, okay, like that. We already got them loose here, so we don't waste your time guys. Okay, check out how many clips we have. 4 on each side, so 8 clips guys that we need to remove. All the tools and parts that we use in our videos guys, you can find the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so please take advantage of that guys, it's for your convenience. Now right here we have 2 bolts that we need to remove. This one right here, 10mm socket, and we have one more on the other side. This bolt stays and the one over there stays as well. So we go ahead and pull it out, okay, like that. And that piece guys is out of here, we don't need it anymore. So we can proceed now with the next step. So with everything being loose and out of the way, okay, usually if you guys have the bumper, you will be able to go ahead and get your hand through here and you're going to reach your air ambient temperature, okay, over here. So you don't need to remove the bumper, you can get to it. There is one clip that you need to remove, okay, that clip, you pry the middle piece out and all that. You can do without removing the bumper, but it's a little bit more complicated. Okay, that clip sometimes will be stuck guys. Okay, perfect, middle piece came out, now the whole clip will come out. Perfect. This is the ambient air temperature sensor. How you guys disconnect that thing? You can see right here now. Okay, we're going to press down. Okay, press down and then you pull the sensor out. Okay, like that. Super simple. If you need to buy a new sensor, we'll have the sensor listed and we'll have the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out guys. Putting it together pretty much in reverse order, we took it apart. Thank you for watching. Don't forget guys to hit that subscribe button for more videos and see you guys next time.